I felt the bike slide. No. It should be fine. They've had all summer. This looks fun. Killer twisty roads. First thing you do on a trip, if not the night before, tank up. Receipt. I had to hit it like 6 times to get it to take no. No. So what is this trip, you might ask? In a nutshell, going down to Malibu. I'm going to stay in Santa Barbara, which is about an hour north. And then Malibu is right on the coast. And it's a Wednesday. There's a fair amount of traffic here for, people going to work and stuff. However, in about 30 seconds, I'm going to be going the opposite way. So where am I going today? This is going to be a 3-day ride, and this is day 1. Day 1 is going to take me down to Santa Barbara. I'm going down Highway 25 through nothing narrow and goaty like some of the canyons I'll be doing tomorrow down around the Malibu and Topanga Canyon area. So after Highway 25, I'm going to cross Highway 198 and continue south on Peachtree Road, and that turns into Indian Valley Road. That will take me basically into San Miguel, and that's a little town that I visited on the Carrizo Plains ride. And my plan on that ride was to take these 2 roads, but they were still closed due to last winter's mudslides and stuff. They should be open now. Google thinks they are, and Google did not think they were then. It should be fine. They've had all summer. But you never know. I mean, there's a section of Mulholland Highway that's still closed, and that didn't get closed because of last winter. It got closed because of some fires 5 years ago, and it's still closed. And it kind of sucks. It's a really nice section. There's a couple nice switchbacks. They're great spots to get pictures. People would, of course, wreck their bike trying to go too fast. And cops would also bust people there. There's lots of videos in the section known as the Snake. And it's also just a very short distance, less than a mile, from the Rock Store, LA's equivalent to Alice's Restaurant up here, or a well-known biker gathering point near killer twisty roads. Definitely less parking, and it's only open on the weekends. So because of the road closure and them not being open on Thursday, I won't be visiting there. I've stopped here at Highway 25 and Coalinga Road for a little break. Probably about, I don't know, an hour or so into my ride. I think we're about an hour out of San Miguel, which means a really early lunch if I'm going to stop at Taco Mafia, which was my plan. Road conditions are great. It's a beautiful day, very clear skies. It looks like it's going to be mid-70s. Riding's been great. The Ducati's been doing a fantastic job. But today, it's going to be a really nice day, and I should be getting to some really nice roads pretty early on. Let's throw the helmet back on and get back to riding. Road closed. Google Maps is usually up to date on this, and it knew it was closed. That's a major bummer because this is a really nice road. So I'm gonna have to alter my route. This is Highway 198, which will take me to King City. I think it's a little bit south of it. And then I can take 101 south to San Miguel. Thing is, Peachtree, which turns into Indian Valley, it's not a short road. It's like probably another, 30 miles to get to San Miguel. It goes into the backside of San Miguel. So, I don't want to go down that 10, 15 miles to find the closure, because that would be a significant time hit. And I'm already running a little bit behind. I guess I could convince myself to be hungry for a couple of tacos. Twist my arm. That's right, it's right here. I was thinking it was off the up the hill, but that's the gas station that I'll be going to later. So, grab herself a seat, order some tacos. We are just north of San Luis Obispo, also known as Slow Town. California Polytechnic, San Luis Obispo is there, aka Cal Poly. It's a very well-known and respected technical university out of it. Hey, they have a vacancy, despite the extremely busy parking lot for a Wednesday. It's a really cool place, actually. If you're in the area and you got 20 minutes, swing by, check out, go to the men's room or the women's room, as appropriate. Really nice rolling hill here on Highway 166. Next 9 miles. Sounds great. Road work ahead. I think I'm gonna be here for a bit. I felt the bike slide. I'm like, okay, we're gonna take this nice and slow. That worked. Got her done. It was pretty cool that they let me go by that way. Ooh, this looks fun. Yeah. Now, Foxy Canyon gets down into the valley. It's not mountainous. It's just a nice ride. Not sure. It looks like I'm supposed to go this way. Pulled over to demount the thing. There's a couple bikes here. But I wanted to show you the mount that I'm using for the 360. It uses a couple of clamps here with extender arms, one short, one long, and then a couple clamps. It's way better than using a single connection point as a mount. Yeah, see? Get this kind of thing going on. Kind of nice.
It was time to check into the hotel, get some food, and then head down and check out the harbor. And if you haven't yet, click the subscribe button so you can stay up to date on our latest videos. and help us reach our goal of 1,000 subscribers.
Wherever your journeys may lead,
Ride on.